y'all doing? This is Floresmore Enterprises, but Fame for short. I know it's been a while. I think almost November last year, and I haven't been posting any videos lately. And to answer that question, the reason why is because it's really inefficient for me to record and vacuum at the same time. I'm busy trying to focus the camera and do my best with trying to go over lines, and sometimes I go over lines twice and everything. And it becomes really time consuming as well, so I don't get my work completed as fast. And ultimately time is money. So I've been foregoing a lot of recording opportunities in order to finish some of these projects a lot faster, these cleaning jobs that is. Now today is May, yeah, it's only the second or third day. So it's May, and today I did a 3-bedroom house. It's a 2-story house, 2 bedrooms upstairs and a master bedroom downstairs with a walk-in, and one of those closets that are hidden, under the stairwells where they have some carpet under there. Well, I didn't record any of that, but I did record like the last 4 or 5 minutes of me vacuuming the living room. And the house was filled with a bunch of fine dust anyway, and so there was not much action. Y'all seen it before. Sanitaire SC899 Type F with some mods that I put on it. Y'all seen it before. Viper Groomer 2 brush roll because I'm carpet cleaning. And yeah, that's about it. There are stairs I still haven't hit, or I have actually hit now, and already vacuumed. Now I have to do the cleaning itself, but I use one of those sanitary canister vacs right here. And yeah, that's it pretty much. So this is at the tail end of the video. If you watched the last 2.5 minutes of me talking, great. If you didn't, well, I'll see you next time. And like I said, the videos are going to be coming farther and fewer as or less and less as I'm trying to really work on more of finishing a lot faster and getting these jobs knocked out in a timely manner. So until next time, I appreciate you all hanging in there with me, and I hope I see you all in the next video. Comment if you like.